and what you will get here, you will find the information. Nice layouts and modern designs. So I have to make a WordPress website ready just to show you how we can install the theme and import the demo as shown here. So let's get started. We'll go to our website, and as you can see, I'm on hosting, and now I'm going to install WordPress. So I chose HTTPS, which is secured, TH, which means theme hunk themes. I'm going to show you. I will remove this directory, and we will go give a name to this theme. So I will just put TH, and here I'm just going to have admin password. I will hide. Okay, the email address provided. As you can see here, you can see the plugins. If you want to have some plugins, okay, I will have a couple of them. Okay, all right, I'm going to press install, and as you can see, the installation is started, and soon our website WordPress will be ready. We are going to install on our website. Now we are going to install on our website first the theme. We will go to appearance and click on it. Now we are going to add our theme which we downloaded. So we will go to our downloaded theme, and then we will just install it. Okay, now we are going to activate the theme. And as you can see here, now we are going to install the plugin. Okay, let's have a look. The settings. Okay, they are all on and we require them. Okay. Sites. Now we are going to see all starter sites. So those you see with the sign of this crown, it means they are premium. So you will not be able to install any free. As you can see here, we have got 3, 1, 2 and 3. So which one do you like? I know you will be thinking about this one. So let's get started. We are going to import this one. I'm clicking on it. You can see here, this is the way it looks like, right? This is the website you are going to get. the products, trending products, fashion accessories, and like this, the footer. So here is the button continue. Just click on it. Here they are asking to let's build your website. Yes, click the button. The now importation has been started. Soon you are going to see the similar website or same website. Sometimes you don't see the images because of the copyright issues, but that's not a problem. The main thing is the theme layout, functionalities, theme options, and the plugins you have used with that theme are working properly and fully functional. So if they are working and fully functional, then you can add your own content, images, whatever you need to upload, products. So this is up to you. And the website is editable, so you don't have to worry about. Now you see, congratulations. Now we are going to click on this button to see view our website. As you can see here, this is your website. I think they have taken or given us a different demo import, as I showed you the one which we were going to import, and they have given us something different. No worries, I'm going to try once again, and let's see what we have got. So I'm going to see first in theme hunk what is the problem, why we haven't had the same theme demo. Okay, no problem. We'll go back again to the theme and we'll try to import the theme demo once again. This time I will try to import a different one. Okay, they are giving me option to customize, but it doesn't look like the similar as the demo. Okay, no, we will go back and then take another theme demo import. This time we are going to choose, I think, this one. I'm clicking on it and then continue here and then build my website. Let's see this time. Hey, as you can see, the demo has been completed successfully. Now let's check it. First I will close this one, the previous one which was on, and now we are going to view our website. So this is the correct theme demo import. As you can see, the one we have seen and this is the one we imported, both are matching exactly. So this is the way you can get use and find a beautiful layout website with theme hunk, and this theme is free of charge. You don't have to pay anything, as well as the plugins. I will show you the plugins. First I show you how it is showing. We click on blog. Let's see how does it look like. If it is not connected because it's a demo, then no problem, leave it. no need to worry about. I just wanted to see how they looks like. So the shop looks like very beautiful, font is very nice, and layout is full width. You will be loving it. As well as you can see here the cart or shopper. Compare. I like it. You can also have a look products. If you don't see here, no problem, we'll go back and check other products. For example, this one, and you can also zoom the product with the help of this loop. Okay, yes, it is showing category, reviews. I think this is the best theme ever in free you are going to get without their own advertisements and this and that. So I'm going to show you now the plugins which I was talking about that you will get, and we have installed. You will see them here. The one which I was talking about, all-in-one WooCart, advanced product search, this one with the cPanel. You have got cPanel. No, this one is not cPanel, this one is theme hunk, as you can see, and this one as well, theme hunk, this one as well, theme hunk. So you can see that all plugins, sometimes you don't need to download one by one because they will come with the theme you are using, and I showed you how you can import the theme and as well as the theme demo, and you have seen how these plugins were installed automatically without doing one by one manually. So I think I have covered everything. If you have any question, I'll be loving it to give you guys support and answer of your questions. Down below is a comment section. You can share this video if someone needs this video or you think that he or she requires any support to have a free theme and plugins, and as well as I have a good looking website. Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much and have a great day. Hopefully you like this video. Bye bye.